preferably in a top corner. We will demonstrate a way of installation that contributes to the good positioning of the panels. Glue the first panel in the markup made. Clean the excess glue immediately. Continue in the sequence indicated in the video, or as you prefer. We recommend leave last that panels which needs cutouts or if it contains plugs. Try to maintain the alignment of the panels and glue one close to the other. There is no need to leave space between them. When it is time to cut the panels, take all the necessary measures and mark them on the panel with a pencil. Then you can remove any doodles with an eraser. For cutting, we recommend using a ruler. Be careful with the base not to scratch the floor. Then make a fold over the cutout and the unused part will come out easily and without damaging the finish. To cut plugs, position the panel on the wall and mark the center of the plug. Begin cutting at this marking as shown. Be careful not to overtake the box. If you need some fills for a better finish, use spackling. The joints also can be finished using spackling. Wipe off excess using a clean cloth. Before start painting, protect your furniture, walls and objects with newspapers or plastics. For painting, the most recommended is to use a paint spray with synthetic solvent enamel based. Another option is to paint with spray paint. For a good finish, 2 coats are required. The 3D wall panels transfer